Hey guys, welcome back. So today I am going to be working in the dining room. It's a mess back there. I need to definitely clean, so I'm going to be doing some cleaning in this video as well. But I wanted to talk to you guys about like what I've been doing to help me figure out how I want to decorate the space. And with the help of a Chromebook who's sponsoring this video, I will be able to finish my dining room. As you guys know, I am trying to get a new table. I want to replace this one because it's just not the style that I'm going for, and I purchased it about 8 years ago. Yeah, it was super cheap. I got it from like a clearance room in a local furniture store, so I really didn't pay much at all for it. And you guys know I'm working on my home makeover, so I've been getting things that I really love and like stuff that's my style, so no need to stop now and just try to make something work when I really want to replace it. So what I've decided to do is create a mood board for my dining room, because when I tell you guys I was about to go out and buy 2 dining room tables just to put it in the space and see which one, you know, I would like more. Yeah, I was seriously about to do it, but I'm just like, you know what? No, that's just doing too much. Just go ahead and create a mood board and just get pictures of all of the items I want to put in the space on a document, and that'll help me like, you know, visualize how the dining room is going to look. And I never used to do mood boards before. I always used to just visualize how I want the space to look and just go out and find the items, but it's just been taking me such a long time with the dining room, because it's like, okay, well, I need a new table and chairs. I need to get some chairs, and it's hard for me to visualize it because I just have so many options to choose from. So I decided to just go ahead and do a mood board. But I'm going to show you guys what I've been using because it's been really helpful and I just love it. All right, so I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about. So I have my Chromebook here that flip the screen. Makes it so much easier, especially when I'm like trying to watch, you know, my movies, or if the little ones are watching it. Like my son, he wants to watch YouTube Kids, so as soon as I'm done showing you guys this, I'm going to give it to him so he can watch his shows because he's patiently waiting. But anyways, I've been using, it's called Google Slides, and let me show you. So I'm going to put like the icon on the screen. But this is what I've been using to create my like mood board, or what I guess some would call e-design. But this is what I've been using. I have the table here. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'll do a close-up, but I have the table here, the same one that's in the corner. And this is one of the dining room tables that I'm thinking about getting, but I don't know how it's going to look in the space. So I was seriously going to just purchase it because it's not like a lot of money. It's very inexpensive. I'm not trying to spend a ton of money on a table, but I do want to get something that's like nice, something that's my style. So this is one that I wanted to get. I just took a screenshot of the table and saved it to my documents, and just added it to my presentation here. And then I just went on Google image search and looked up the lamps because I cannot find them, the exact ones that's in here, but I do want to use these. I just need to get some new shades. But I went on Google image search and found one that was similar. Just save it to your documents, and then when you go on your Google Slides, you can just add it to like the presentation. But yeah, I'm not going to show you guys every single item that I want to put in here because I still want it to be somewhat of a reveal, although you guys, you know, you see a lot of stuff that's in here now. But I still want to change out the chandelier. I need 2 side chairs. I want them to be like bigger. I'm definitely going to keep the bench in here, but I do need to like DIY it. But it's great for like extra seating when the kids are at the table because, you know, it just provides more room and more people can fit at the table. But yeah, so I'm not going to show you guys every single thing because I do have a different like presentation with all of the items, but then you're going to see exactly what the space is going to look like because like that's how good you know, creating a mood board is. You pretty much see the space on the screen. But I just wanted to show you guys this one and like, you know, how to add items. You just go up here to this plus sign and add any items you have saved to your you know, your device. and you can use it with your phone. So if I'm like at the store and I see something that I want to put in the space, I could just take a picture of it, go on my Google Slides on my phone, and just add it to my presentation. The same presentation is going to be on my phone because you're logging in with your Google account. So any device you use is going to pull up your presentation, which is great. So I've been having a lot of fun with this. And like I said, I never used to do mood boards before. I just think about what I want the space to look like, and then I just create it. But now that I'm like working with other people, like, you know, I don't know, well, some of you guys might already know, I did have a client. I helped her decorate like a room in her salon, and I got lucky with that one because she didn't care for like seeing a mood board and all that. She just wanted the space to be pretty, and she just knew I was the right pick. Like the way I decorate was her style, and she just, I don't know, she just said she had a good feeling about me and just wanted me to, you know, just make it pretty, and that's what I did. But not all clients are going to be like that. Not everyone is going to just trust you. They want to see what the space could look like. So I have to get used to creating mood boards anyways. I just wanted to share that with you guys. I think it's like really great information, and you guys know I love sharing great information. But I just wanted to show you guys that in the Chromebook, which is new, guys. This is my new baby. I'm loving it so much. The battery life on this is really long. It's like 10 hours. So I didn't have that before with my other device. But I am definitely loving this one because, like I said, you can pull up a lot of apps. I have like pretty much all of my apps that I like to use like on my phone. I have all of that stuff pinned to my my bottom bar here. And my kids can use it. It's a lightweight. Look at how thin it is. It's super thin. So it's really nice, guys. You should definitely look into getting one. I'll have the link for this in the description box if you do want to get your hands on it. But in case you're just wondering about it, this is the Chromebook. Really nice. Flip it. You can use it that way. And I can just watch my shows if I'm like trying to chill in the living room and I'm not trying to pull it up on the TV. But yeah, guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and clear this table off. Like, I have a lot of boxes, and you know, if you've seen like my previous home decor haul, then you've seen all of this stuff. I just kind of put it on the table because I needed somewhere to place it. But I'm gonna clean this off and you know, wipe down the table, although it's like really scratched up and like the surface is really bad. But I'm still gonna go ahead and clean it off and take some pictures of just the table, because I tried selling this before on like, you know, one of the a few of those you know, buying apps. And I had my SETI in the picture as well, and every single person that reached out only wanted the SETI. Like, oh, it was as if I was selling the SETI and throwing a dining room table in for free. So I'm just like, okay, let me just take this post down, redo it, take a picture without any other furniture pieces in, because for some reason, people don't like to read the description. Like, it clearly says I'm selling the dining room table. I'm not selling the dining room table and the chairs and all of that stuff. So yeah, I'm going to make sure it's just the table in the picture. I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning, get this place cleaned up, and listen to some music. This is Google Play Music. I don't know if you guys can see, but you can just go ahead and listen to this. It's free, so you don't have to worry about paying for it. But they have a lot of different selections. I mean, when you first go on here, it will ask you, like, you know, the type of artist you like to listen to, and then it'll create, like, you know, different stations based on your selections. Okay, throwback jams. No, there was a playlist I was listening to the other day. I think it was like cuffing season. Oh, here it is. It's called cuffing season. So it has feel good hip hop and R&B. So that's what I'm going to be listening to. And oh, I didn't even mention this, but it's touchscreen, guys. This Chromebook is touchscreen. I need to get a stylus because I don't want to keep using my fingers to do this. So I need to go out and buy one. I also wanted to mention that you can dim the screen. It has a dimmer. So just wanted to mention that. my pictures, so I'm gonna post them, see if I can sell the table and the chandelier, because I do want to get a crystal chandelier. But yeah, I really need to make up my mind on my table. I'm recording this video, like, what's today, the 20th? I'm waiting for Black Friday so I can see what's gonna go on sale. And I know some of you guys were saying, well, just paint it. I would, but honestly, I do not like the look of a painted table. Let me show you guys what I did with my kitchen table, because I tried to paint it. So this is my kitchen table, and I don't even know if you can see it too well. Oh yeah, you can definitely see that. You see all of the brush strokes? I don't like that look. So I'm going to have to go and spray this down. Well, not spray it down, but I'm going to have to sand it down and then maybe buy a sprayer and, you know, repaint it that way. And hopefully it looks good. But I'm not, you know, I'm not too worried about it with the kitchen nook table. I'm not going to like replace this one. I'll just, you know, spray it down. But I just don't want that same look for my dining room table, because I'm just going for a completely different style. But yeah, I'm not really good with painting like big pieces of furniture, and hopefully the sprayer is gonna look right. But yeah, I mean, I do like the color of this paint, this like metallic color, but I just need to work on my painting skills. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I guess I can decorate, well, somewhat. I don't want to like fix up the whole place right now, and I'm waiting for some wall art to come. Still have the tag on this mirror. I need to take that off. Still need to get the curtains. This might change. I might remove that plant. I don't know yet. And then I have my his and her bar cards that I was like, you know, playing around with as far as decor. But this one is gonna be mine. That one is his. But yeah, I'm gonna keep that in the space because I really love the way it looks. But this is, you know, my dining room so far. I guess the next time I show you guys this space, it'll be finished and beautiful. I'll have a nice crystal chandelier and a really pretty table. Oh, this bench, I told you guys I was gonna do a DIY because this is what it looks like. This blue is too light, and you know, I'm definitely not gonna do two different patterns, like no way. But I want the bench to be the same color as the chairs, like the chairs that are going to go here. Because I'm thinking about doing navy blue chairs for my side chairs. I think I want to get navy blue. But I do want the bench to be the same color as the chairs that are going to be placed, you know, at this part of the table. But I just wanted to update you guys on what's going on with the dining room, and you know, share what's been helping me with this entire process, which is my mood board that I've been creating on my Chromebook, and also share that with you guys because I've been loving it. I love every single feature. It's pretty amazing, guys. I will have that linked in the description box if you want to check it out. I definitely recommend it. And again, I have to give a really big thanks to Chromebook for sponsoring today's video. Really appreciate that. But yeah, guys, that's all I have going on. But yeah, I'm not gonna decorate the table or anything right now because I'm gonna try to sell it, and if it doesn't sell, then I'm gonna donate it. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you do so. That'll be so awesome, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.